Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to report a wrong or missing item on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a missing item from your delivery order. How do you actually go ahead and report it to DoorDash? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the DoorDash app. Now on the home page, you want to click on the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to go and click on settings. And then from here, we're going to click on get help, which is located right above gift card. Now on this page here, it's going to ask you which order do you need help with. So go ahead and click on the order where you want to go ahead and report a wrong or missing item. So once you click on it, you just click on issue with items. And then simply what you can do is that it's going to ask you which item do you want to report, and then click on the item that you want to go ahead and report. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report a wrong or missing item on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.